All right. There is something this our daddy said in this video regarding the perception most people, especially people who believe in church or Christianity, the perception they have that the only time they can communicate with their or with supreme being is when they go to that physical structure they call church, or yeah, they call church. That is when they can communicate with their supreme being, of which is not true. It's not true. You will listen to what this our daddy said concerning communication with supreme being. You can communicate with your supreme being via any means, especially element of life, nature, not element of nature. You can communicate with your chi via nature. It's not by going to that physical structure you call church. Our ancestors understand this. They understood this philosophy very, very well. That is why each time they want to communicate with supreme being, they will first of all remove they will not wear anything. They must make sure that their legs are touching ground. Ajana. As a ajana. They will call start calling nature, because they want to communicate with the supreme being, the creator of all natures. They will pass through the supreme being via all the nature he created, and will equally call the ancestors who have lived before them, because they know they are spirits. They are closer to the supreme being. It's high time we embrace our nature back. It's high time we retrace and trace back to our culture and tradition. The reason why we are going astray, the reason why we are like sheep without shepherd, is because we have deviated from our culture and tradition. And don't forget, according to the white people, they told us that culture and tradition is the people's ways of life. Now the question we got to ask ourselves, this Christianity they brought to us, is it our way of life? Is this not a foreign culture, a borrowed culture? So we practicing this borrowed culture that is not our way of life, it will be altering a lot of things. Just listen to what this our father said. Please like and share the video. Subscribe so that YouTube will suggest this video to wider audience. We have embarked on a journey of renaissance. We have to renaissance ourselves. We'll have to purge ourselves from this religious mental slavery. You know, I was born and bred in Anglican church. When I started, on learning and relearning things about religion and reading about nature, that is when it occurred to me that akwokane, all those, that rapper, that mother's rapper, our mother, they have this their uniform rapper. The chain in that rapper signifies something, and it signifies the chain they used to carry our brothers and sisters. They chained them during slave trade. They have to, put the symbol on the wrapper of our mother, and they're still tying it till tomorrow. If you tell them, do you know the meaning of this chain? If you tell them, look at the meaning, some of them will start, quarreling you. Why would you say so? But that's the real meaning of that chain they draw in that wrapper. They will tell us that our ancestors did this, our ancestors did that. What about the ancestors of the white who borrowed us as slaves by our people? Why is it that their nations are progressive despite the atrocity their ancestors committed? They are progressive, but in our own case, we are meant to believe that our ancestor is the reason for our hardship and predicament. What an irony of life. Huh? I greet you all, peace and love.
Yes. Chi Ukwu maọbụ okike a na-ekwu okwu ya abụrụ nke a na-akpọchi n'ụlọ nsọ maọbụ n'ụlọ Chukwu maọbụ n'ụlọ mmụọ maọbụ n'ụlọ ụka. No, you can't just lock God or Chukwu out. Whatever possible. Now, anyị na-abịa oge ụfọdụ kwadosi afọ na-aga gwodo ka enyi nke mbe gwa na ọ ga-abụ onye isi oche. Anyị na-azọpụ ije ndị ga-abụ onye isi oche n'ụlọ ụka. Anyị amazi na steepụ ọbụla anyị na-azọpụ, nzọụkwụ ọbụla anyị na-azọ ebe anyị na-aga ifu Chukwu somewhere, na anyị na-agafe Chukwu with every step anyị na-azọpụ. Kedu ife anyị na-ekwu? Ikuku ị na-ekuru every second, function niile bụ Chukwu. And without that ikuku, there is no life in you. Ọ bụ mmiri na-aṅụ, the sun that shines on you as you walk to go and see God somewhere is part of that God. Ndị gboo na-afụ Chukwu n'ife niile kere eke. The idea of an imaginary being lopụrụ ụlọ somewhere beyond the sky with millions of angels singing Hosanna, ebi. Mba, ọ bụrụ otu a ka ọ dị. Ụmụnne m, ife na-agwa ọnụ na ife anyị na-akpọ yahoo, ọ bụrụkwa na street of Lagos ka o bido. Mba na, it didn't go back a long way. Yes. So ọ na-adị mma that a people must see and acknowledge the God concept through the lens of their culture. Mgbe ọbụla anyị bịa, people bịa adopt foreign concept, especially from their oppressors. Ọ bụ omume eji wee mara onukwu. Onukwu bịa ọkpara oji mkpọ. Ọ ka o si wee gbatakwuru for now.